Lesson 3: Coastal Systems and Management. Coastal landscapes are constantly shaped by wave action. Constructive waves are known for having a strong swash relative to their backwash, which deposits sediment and builds up beaches. When waves approach the shore at an oblique angle, they drive a process called longshore drift. The swash carries sediment diagonally up the beach, and the backwash pulls it straight down, creating a zigzag movement of sand along the coast. On discordant coasts with rocky headlands, destructive waves exploit structural weaknesses. This creates a classic sequence of erosional landforms. First, wave action carves out caves. If a cave cuts all the way through a headland, it forms an arch. When the roof of the arch inevitably collapses, an isolated stack is left behind, which eventually erodes down into a stump. To protect coastlines from this erosion, we use coastal management strategies. Hard engineering approaches include building seawalls, offshore breakwaters, and groins. While groins successfully interrupt longshore drift to trap sediment and build up the updrift beach, they have a major disadvantage. They often starve the downdrift beaches of sand, potentially worsening erosion elsewhere. Alternatively, soft engineering strategies like beach nourishment work with natural systems. By adding sediment to recharge a beach, the widened shore can absorb wave energy without relying exclusively on hard, disruptive concrete structures.